As a young migrant worker, I crossed the campus of SUNY at Brockport. A year later, in a 9th grade civics class, I was introduced to the United States Constitution. And part of what I was taught was the 13th and the 14th Amendment guarantees of the Constitution, the guarantees of due process and equal protection. And at that time in my life, I discovered that although I was black, that I was protected by our Constitution. And I decided that my life could be different than my poor, unwedded mother's life. I decided that I would graduate from college. And I managed to achieve that dream, being the 1 out of 10 of my mother's kids who actually completed college. My life was shattered by employment discrimination, and I am still seeking justice from that event. And the fact that in America, I still believe that no one is above the law, and that includes Mike Russo, Assistant New York State Attorney General, Elliot Spitzer as his role as the Attorney General at that time, and the current Attorney General Patterson, and current Governor Patterson, and the current Attorney General Cuomo. So take a look at my video and look at the documents that prove that Mike Russo lied in his declaration and memorandum of law. And this is just one example of Mike Russo not being truthful in his own documents that were filed in a federal court in this nation. And even though no one's ever brought on perjury charges, someone should be held accountable. Thank you very much.